Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create an Amazon wish list so that you can send your wish list to someone and he can send the products directly to you, and you won't if you want, you can enable the settings to not share the address with others. Okay, you can send them your wish list, but they will not be able to to see the address. Okay, that's because that's dangerous. If you are a YouTuber and you want to create a wish list and share it with people you don't know, so it's not ways to share your wish list with your address. Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can create your wish list and hide your address. So what you need to do, guys, you want to log in into your Amazon account, and then in the top, as you can see, just need to move your mouse in the top, and then you want to click on where it says your lists. You want to click on create a list. Now scroll down and click on create a list, and you want to name the list. So for example, I would name it wish list. You can create multiple lists. Click on create a list, and this is the list. Now how you can add product to the list so that you can share it with someone or with people on internet. Okay, or you can send the link of your wish list to your friend or your family member, anyone. So first, what you need to do, guys, you want to click on more, and then you want to click on manage list. Now first thing, you need to customize this. You need to change the settings so that you don't you need to hide your address. Okay, as you can see, it's a recipient. You enter here your name. Here the description, you can type a description about your list, for example the products that you are going to add there or something like that. It doesn't really matter. Now the shipping address, as it says here, none. Now if you click on here, if you enable shipping address, you need to select, for example, you need to select a shipping address that these items from your wish list will be sent to. So you want to select the address. This is my address, and it says here share my address with sellers. Don't check this, because if you check this, it says here this makes it easier for people to send you items. The seller may disclose your address to the buyer. Okay, the buyer will be able, guys, to see your address and the seller. So this is not a wise thing to do. You want to uncheck it. Don't check it. Okay, and if you scroll down, as you can see, it says here let buyers ship additional items not on this list to my shipping address. You can do that if you want. Okay, you want to click here. That's it, and then click on save changes. After that, you need to find a product, like any product that you want to add to your wish list. For example, makeup. Just search for any product. If you scroll down a little bit, you will find something like add to list. Now if you click on here, you can find here your list. You can select that, and the product will be added to your wish list. As you can see, this item was already in wish list because I tried it 2 times. Now if you find another product, for example, I'm going to find another product so they can add it to my wish list, and they show you and after that I will show you guys how you can get the link so that you can send it to people, or you can add it on the description of your videos or your website, blog, anything. Now scroll down, like I said, click on add to list, and the product will be added again to your wish list. Now you want to click you want to just click on your account again, and then click on here. You will see here your wish list name. Click on that. I named it wish list. You want to click on it, and it will take you guys to your wish list and the products that you have added. I have added 2 products. Now if you want to start sharing these this wish list to people, you want to click okay, by the way, this wish list is private, so not like you want to click on send it to others, and then click on view only, and then click on copy link. You can also invite by email if you want. someone to invite them by email to your wish list, or you can copy the link. Now I'm going to open a new tab, and then I'm going to open the wish list. KNPK. Okay, continue shopping. And this is the wish list. And people, if you send them your wish list, they will be able, guys, to order these products and send them directly to you. Okay, and you won't be able to see the address. I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.